This course is designed to benefit a variety of professionals and individuals involved in the mortgage lending process, or those looking to enhance their understanding of credit management. Here's a breakdown of who this would benefit the most. Loan processors. Loan processors are responsible for gathering and reviewing loan applications, including credit reports. This course will provide them with the skills necessary to interpret credit data accurately. It'll also allow them to identify areas of improvement and advise borrowers in terms of how they can improve their credit scores, which will ultimately lead to faster loan approvals and a higher success rate in closings. When it comes to loan originators, they're at the forefront of the mortgage process, working directly with clients to secure loans by understanding how to improve credit scores using simulators, rapid rescoring, and other strategies. They'll be able to help more clients qualify for loans, increasing their closing rates and boosting their commissions and overall profitability. When it comes to mortgage brokers, they need to understand the intricacies of credit scoring to help clients find the best possible loan products. This course equips them with the necessary tools and knowledge to guide clients through the credit improvement process, making them more competitive in the market and enabling more loan approvals. When it comes to real estate agents, they often encounter clients who face challenges in securing mortgage due to their low credit scores, bankruptcies, or foreclosures. By understanding credit improvement strategies, agents can provide value add to their clients by assisting them in getting ready for their mortgage. And having the knowledge to speed up the buying process will actually lead to successful sales in the end. Now, if you're a financial advisor or a credit counselor, this is very useful. When it comes to financial advisors and credit counselors who work with their clients to improve their overall financial health, you can use this course to gain deeper insights into the mortgage credit process. This enables them to provide more targeted advice, particularly for clients looking to purchase a home or refinance an existing mortgage. Now, if you're a buyer or a homeowner and you want to learn how to improve your credit, individuals who are preparing to apply for a mortgage will benefit from understanding how credit scores work, what factors influence their scores, and how to use tools like credit simulators to plan for improvements. This knowledge can help them qualify for better loan terms, lower interest rates, and a smoother home buying process, which is what everybody wants. If you're new to the mortgage industry, this will be very helpful. Individuals entering the mortgage industry, such as new loan officers or processors, can use this course to build a solid foundation in credit management. This knowledge will set them apart in a competitive market and help them succeed in their roles by enabling them to approve more loans, which they wouldn't be able to if this wasn't the case. Now, if you own a mortgage company or you're one of the principals or managers in the mortgage company, this is really going to help you out, because when you have a team, you have to be able to understand the credit improvement process and different strategies to help your team be able to increase the loan approval success rate and enhance customer satisfaction, which will ultimately grow the entire business. In summary, this course provides valuable credit-related knowledge and strategies that can benefit professionals and individuals looking to improve mortgage success rates. Streamlining the loan approval process is essential and increasing profitability in the mortgage industry.